napag-isipan ko, ano kaya yung magagawa ko na even though I'm a stay-at-home mom, ay meron pa rin akong kinikita. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye-bye, ate.
Mom will take you outside.
We're going out soon. We'll have breakfast first, okay? Okay, we'll just have breakfast first.
Let me see.
We'll go out soon, okay? Auntie Paris has to go to school.
Kiss. Kiss.
That's okay. Come to mama. Come to mama.
Kiss mama. Let's go outside. Oh.
Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. It's early in the morning. Kakaalis lang ni Ate Paris natin for school. So, si Daddy Mike ay working from home today. So, siya yung maghahatid kay Ate Paris. Actually, he took Ate Paris for breakfast first. And then, nagsend mo sila ng picture. And then, mamayang hapon, kami ni Baby Celine yung magpipick up kay Ate Paris kasi she's got swimming lesson after school. Oh, they're eating. Look, the Paris. Say, oh no! That's Ate Paris. Say, oh no! Oh dear. Yung ating Baby Celine guys starting to make a lot of noises. Oh no, yung mga ganun. Kagabi yung I don't know. I'm not sure kung sinabi niya talaga yun or parang fluke lang na sinabi niya. I don't know. But it's getting really exciting, guys. George, dalawa na silang magsasalita dito sa bahay. Yung isa, hindi shut up yung isa. Dal-dal ng dal-dal. Knock-knock. Knock-knock. So, I'm just gonna make Baby Celine breakfast now. I'm gonna make some egg for you. Nanonood siya ng nursery rhymes niya, guys. Kaya yung mata niya ay nandun. Nursery rhymes? Mama will make an egg, okay? You're gonna sit on the couch and be a good girl? Yes? Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama. Okay, sit here, B. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. High five, Mama. High five, Mama. Ay, shush. Focus ka siya sa iyang TV. Oy, high five ba? Hindi ka mabalik-balik sa iyong mama? This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. And this little piggy had roast beef. And this little piggy, what is going on? Oh wait, Jesus Christ. Cuddles? Cuddles? Dong lang? Dong? Princess? Hi guys! Kakaluto talaga tayo dito ng itlog. Ala! Ating kinitutong dama! Langgap niya sa mama eh. Now we have to cook the egg first. How about this one first for you? Open. Good girl. So she's not throwing things away now, guys. Before, tinatapon niya. Oh, not this one? The egg. Yeah, we have to cook it first. Ngayon, pag may gusto siya, nilalapag niya ang kanyang dami. Don't drop it, please. Don't drop it. It's not cooked yet. We have to cook it first. Hang on, give me a second. Okay. So we'll have to crack it. And then we will beat it. Beat it! Okay. This. Here you go. Here, this one. You mix it. Good girl. Hello. Hello. Sige, mix. You wanna help? Like that? Mix. Good girl, sweetie girl. Yay! You can't eat that one yet. Let's roll. We have to cook it, okay? We'll put salt. Look. Okay, you put in there. Good girl. Good job. Like this. Okay. Beat it. Hindi tayo nakabili ng mushroom na. Yum. You're doing really well. Not in the mouth. Good girl. You're doing really well, princess. Which one? Here, like this.
Ma.
Yeah. Which one? Look. Ta. What? Careful there.
A few moments later.
Prepare tayo ng lunch. Baby Celine. Naubusan na pala kami ng bread. Yung ano ba? Yung normal na bread. So sabi ni Daddy Mike, use this one. So this is the spinach and herb wraps. So yun yung gagamitin natin. Celine! Oh my goodness. Tingnan niyo. Oh. Baby. What are you doing? Oh my God, tong batang ere. Careful, please! Andun sa ibabaw ng lamesa, guys, nanonood. Is it working? Huh? What's this one? Oh, baby. I should just keep this to Celine if I'm cooking this.
Thank you.
Huh?
Don't you know that?
So, ayan. May dala pala si Daddy Mike kanina na ano. Beef. Kasi nag-gym si Daddy Mike kanina. Come here, Daddy.
Work. Busy.
Show me your rig.
Mawa.
Rig. Is it the first time You went back to the gym since we came back? How was it? Good?
Good, my man.
That's good. So, ayan. Ito na lang. Gagawin pala. Lutuin ko to for daddy na.
My arousals.
Huh?
It's boosted my arousal.
Busted year. Buang ka.
Boosted my arousal.
Naka-lipstick pa naman si, si mami niyo. Kasi, may lakad tayo sa school. Before natin putahan sa Ate Paris, meron tayong gagawin. So, ayan, nakapagay din si mami niyo. Pati si baby Celine ay nabihisan ko na rin. But we'll just get this lunch sorted. Spinach. And I have this, dito, watermelon. Ano nyo, gagawan ko na lang muna sa baby Celine ito kasi gutom na. Lagyan natin ng ham, cheese, butter, Yada! This is spinach bread with ham and cheese. Mama, bite? Look. Look. Nga! Yummy!
Yeah, reach out to me anytime. I can answer any questions.
Boo!
Yeah, and if you need me to run more structured, just tell me.
Mabalik na naman siya dyan, no?
Focus and like to prepare, but otherwise,
Boo!
in a nutshell,
She was doing pickup.
that's our alert systems, and I believe we are decommissioning
You right now?
trust here.
Binihisan ko ulit guys kasi kumain, dumihan na naman. Oh. Change outfit. Pero naka-shoes na yan siya. Nam nam nam.
Which I'm using. So
Nam nam nam.
whilst we are still doing outs here,
Hello guys. Car na kami. Naipasok ko na ang ating baby Celine. Hello langga. So, medyo maaga kami. Ngayon, it's 2:20. Kasi, pupunta kami ng post office first. I'll see, actually. Bilis kasi ng oras, guys. Uy, before namin pick upin ang ating Ate Paris. So, I'm going to post something. Pakita ko sa inyo yung dito. Dala ko rin yung mga gamit na Ate Paris for swimming. Kasi, may swimming class yan siya mamaya. 4:20. What is it, princess? What's in there? Oh, it's a toy. Hang on. So, ito yung ipopost natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, I sold this one online yesterday. And, binayaran ni ate kaagad. So, we're posting it today. Ayan. So, ito yung generic na dust bag. Pero, laman nito ay yung ayan, Louis Vuitton na dust bag. And this bag is the classic Never Full MM. Ayan. Oh. So, post natin na. Para i-release na ni eBay ang payment. So, you might be wondering why. Since yung vlog natin from last year na I always go to the post office to post something, and yeah, that's the reason why. Sinasabi ko naman guys, because I sold the bag or some type of clothing or shoes, ganyan. Kasi
Yes, business reveal. Business reveal talaga. Akala mo naman gano'ng kalaki. But, yeah, so yan yung ginagawa ni mami nyo ngayon, guys. So, ma-share ko lang sa inyo. So, after pinanganak ko si baby Celine, so, di ba, August 2021. And then, July 2021, nag-start na akong mag-maternity leave. So, which is good dito sa Australia kasi yan yung benefit mo kapag nag-work ka sa isang company. Parang continuous na over 12 months. Meron kang maternity leave. I don't know if it's the same sa lahat ng kumpanya, but in my company in particular, they offered me 12 months na maternity leave. Although, let's just make it clear, guys, sa maternity leave na yun, na 12 months, only 4 months yung bayad ka. And yung bayad sa iyo is not the whole amount na kinikita mo per month from the company. Yung payout sa iyo ay yung minimum na wage dito sa Australia. So obviously lesser than, you know, the normal salary na nakukuha ko every month. So what happened? Is it oh, you have what? It's ads. Here you go. So better? So after ng 12 months na maternity leave ko, dapat sana babalik ako ng part-time, but then just didn't work. It was just very hard. Like hindi madali, guys, especially now na dalawa na yung kids. Hindi na ako bumalik. So in short, nag-resign ako. So since then, napaisip ako, sabi ko sa sarili ko, oh my God, ano nang gagawin ko ngayon na hindi ako sanay na wala akong natatanggap monthly na salary. Kasi ma-share ko lang sa inyo sa mga nakasubaybay sa channel natin, alam nyo na to. At sa mga bago pa lang sa channel natin, share ko lang sa inyo na before I met Daddy Mike, I was financially stable. I have my full-time job. And parang nabaguhan ako na, oh my God, wala na akong matatanggap na sweldo, ganun. So napag-isipan ko, ano kaya yung magagawa ko na even though I'm a stay-at-home mom, ay meron pa rin akong kinikita. So yeah, with the YouTube, guys, meron ka namang nakikita konti. Like, I'm being honest here, konting-konti lang talaga, guys, kasi sa YouTube kasi hindi ka naman masasahuran kung wala kang vlogs, kung wala kang uploads, diba? So in my case, kasi nga, you know, 2 kids, minsan nahihirapan ako, wala na akong time na mag-vlog, or kung may vlog man ako, hindi ko na i-edit, kasi very hectic na yung schedule mo kapag naging mama ka na ng 2 kids. So I came up with an idea na, since I'm into like handbags, clothing, shoes, kitang-kita nyo naman, guys, from the very beginning. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, why don't I make it a business para meron akong meron akong kita. Kasi at first, yung ginagawa ko, yung mga yung mga pre-love items ko, yun yung binebenta ko online. But then sabi ko, I'm actually making money doing this. So sabi ko, I'll keep it up. And then since then, guys, yun yung ginagawa ko. Yan yung dahilan kung bakit may income pa rin si mami nyo. Kasi alam nyo, guys, even though I know Daddy Mike will and can provide for the family, hindi kasi ako ganong klaseng tao, guys, na iasa ko sa kanya lahat. Sabi ko na I'll do something for myself na parang mai-contribute naman ako financially for the family. And also, guys, kasi alam niyo naman tayo mga girls, especially ako, nung single pa ako, like, you know, I love my stuff. Sa buhay kasi, guys, hindi lang needs, diba? Meron din tayong mga wants. And to be able to provide yung mga mga wants mo na ganyan, you have to work hard for it. Kaya yun, I'm very happy na ako sa direksyon na to. In short, I am buying and selling online. Although hindi ako nagla-live kasi wala pa ako sa level na yun na mag-live. I'm just posting everything that I sell online. So Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, and mainly eBay. So I got all my stuff from South Korea and Japan. So meron ako mga kakilala doon na, you know, where I buy stuff and they send everything to me here in Australia. And I'm very happy, guys, because it is working for me. And it just give me joy and happiness na even though nasa bahay ako, I'm looking after my kids, but still I'm making my own money na wala akong inasahan. So ngayon parang ano ako, pag may benta ako ganyan, I can do groceries. Ako kasi, guys, pag pumupunta ako sa mga shops tapos may makita akong mga kung anik-anik for the kids, ayaw ko kasing kailangan ko pang manghingi kay Daddy Mike kasi gusto ko yun for the kids. Like, I want to be able to afford and be able to get the things that I want for my kids. By doing this, I'm able to pay for the internet. Hindi ko na kailangang iasa yun kay Daddy Mike. And as mentioned before, pumupunta ako ng grocery, nag-grocery ako, hindi na kailangan na maghintay pa ako kay Daddy Mike.
Tulong sa pamilya kung kinakailangan, di ba?
Meron kaming joint na bank account. I also like put something there kapag may nabenta ako, and it makes me feel good and proud ba na hindi ko inaasa kay Daddy Mike, even though alam ko na walang problema kay Daddy Mike, guys, na siya pa nga yung nag-udyok sa akin na I think it's a bit hard for you going back to work for now, sabi niya. So yeah, kung susuportahan kita if gusto mong mag quit muna sa work. So yeah, I'm very thankful, I'm very grateful na nagkaroon ako ng katuwang sa buhay na katulad ni Daddy Mike na very responsible. Kaya yun din yung dahilan kung bakit nakauwi tayo ng Pinas, guys, kasi nag-ipon talaga ako. Kasi that is something ayaw kong si Daddy Mike na kahit yung pag-uwi ng Pinas ay kailangan pa talagang siya, di ba? So nag-ipon ako na nag-ipon, guys, through my buying and selling stuff. And yun, nakapag-ipon ako, nakauwi kami ng Pilipinas, nakapagbakasyon kami, and I was very happy, very proud na hindi ko kailangang kay Daddy Mike, now we have to do this, yeah, I need money for this. No, guys, it was everything na pinaghirapan ko. Yeah, it's not easy kasi even though nasa bahay ka, buying and selling ka lang, ganyan, kung iniisip mo, easy lang yan, but it's not, kasi since hindi ako nagla-live, posting lang, so I need to take photos of my items. Nagagawa ko lang kapag tulog si Celine or maganda yung kanyang mood, so naglalaro lang siya, then I get a time to do it. And then yeah, posting, I do it during the night or pag may chance during the day, and talking to people, yung mga customers, and naman, guys, iba't ibang klaseng tao yung makakasalamuha mo sa ganitong negosyo. It is totally working for me, so I'm gonna keep doing it. And I'm actually, like my goal, right? It might not be in a couple of years time, but yeah, my goal would be having like a boutique or something here in Queensland. Like I want a little stall or like a shop where I can display lahat ng mga handbags ko. Kasi sa bahay ngayon, guys, sobrang dami kong handbags. Kaya baka naman sa inyo dyan na gustong bumili ng mga handbags and clothes and whatsoever, yeah, let me know, guys. Hindi, I can give you my eBay link kung nasa Australia kayo, obviously, kasi hindi naman tayo nagpapadala sa ibang bansa, sa sa Australia lang. So eBay, yeah, maybe maging customer ko rin kayo guys. Yeah, buhay-buhay lang talaga guys. Sa buhay ay talagang diskarte lamang. Kasi kapag wala kang diskarte sa buhay, wala ka talagang mapapala. Hindi ka mag hard work, wala ka talaga.